Hello, my name's John from the Stadium YouTube channel, and today, well, I say today, it was actually yesterday, Sunday, the 29th of September. Got down to the new Everton Stadium on the Bramley Moore dock. So, been away a while, and I said to myself, I'm not doing another Bramley Moore video till Everton win a league game. And finally, it happened on Saturday 2-1 against Palace. So here we are back. A bit of a protest from me, but here we are. So they've been fitting numbers above the turnstiles, so I'm guessing they're going to be the turnstile numbers when you've got your tickets and stuff like that. Let you know how to get in and where you are going to be sitting, etc. It's all of a sudden the west side plaza is all of a sudden looking very, very clean and a lot clutter free, which is good to see. Obviously, we're going into October tomorrow, and I did read something that this is on course to be finished on time, which is wonderful to hear. And the pitch, the last time the pitch, there was still some of that the drainage system was still showing, but now it is more or less covered in sand and ready, still laying the foundations for the pitch. This was Sunday, obviously, so there wasn't many people on site. There was a couple here and there, but not many. I'm not sure. Maybe like they've just missed a bit of sand there. See all these blue pipings? That's going to be part of that. The drainage and replenish system that we were talking about in the last video. I'm going to drain water when needed and add water if required. So there you go with that. Obviously, I think pretty much all the seats are now in. The I'm just wondering, and I don't know the answer to this, is why there was only solar panels on one of the one side of the roof. It was really windy yesterday, so we've done our best with what we had to work with. So I'm not sure if I mentioned this in the last video, but this apparently is where the away supporters are going to be housed, seated in the upper tier part, apparently. So I'm told. So just so you know, for your information there, that's where they're going to be. So we're just going to get through onto the east side of the stadium now, which is the Merseyside. I'm trying to be a bit careful to not get caught up in the wind too much. But here we are, and it is really, really becoming a fantastic sight. Look at that. Absolutely fantastic. Right, so let's get up because they've filled this little dock in the water dock, which is just right outside below the stairs. That is now, see the camera's moving, that is now filled up with water. So that is on obviously on the original plans. So that is now, as you can see, got water in a bit of a picturesque setting. I wonder whether they're going to do some sort of little bridge over it at some point, or maybe they'll just leave that as it is. Do apologise again if the camera is just moving. It was really windy, but it was just a video that we needed to get done and get done and out. To be honest, it's been a while since we've been here. I'm just going to go back over to the virtual stadium now, and then we've got a shot I've been wanting to do for a bit of a while, and we're gonna get into that now. So we're just on the southeast corner of the stadium. We're going to move around now to the south side of the back of the stand, and we're just going to take a good look around the side of this stand. Gonna get down quite low. This wind is having a absolute nightmare. Um, yeah, we're gonna get down and just go across the back of the south stand, just to have a good look at it, see how it's coming along. Just just getting into position for that. You can see, notice there on the southeast, they've started planting some trees there as well. We're just showing you the east side of the stadium. Check how it is looking now. Obviously, that big glass front entrance to the stand there as well. Right, let's get into having a look at this south side of the stadium. See how it's looking. Still seeing the machinery on site there. There's a lift. Just there. Obviously, as I say, this is filmed on Sunday, the 29th of September. So there were very little people on site, which is why we can just get a little bit closer and take a bit of a closer look. And it's all looking really, really nice. So, gonna get back down as soon. The weather's havoc at the moment. We are going to get back down as soon as we possibly can. I was sent some photos of of the stadium. I'm going to leave them on the end of this video for you to enjoy. So take care, and we will see you very soon. Don't forget to join us if you can for Guest in the Box. It's the new time of 6:30 every Monday. Take care. We will see you soon. These photos are on the way.